This Organized in 60 Seconds is brought to you by DC Efficiency Consulting. Reinvent the way you work.
Hi, I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, with your Organized in 60 Seconds tip of the day. Would you like to be in more control of your time at home and work? The Time Timer can help. The Time Timer is a visual time management tool. It's portable, sleek, and comes in different time increments. It's perfect for people that are easily distracted, but has universal appeal. At home, set the timer for kids to clean up their toys or to manage their screen time. It's easy to tell how much time you have left as you watch the colored disc disappear. At work, set the time timer for 20 minutes to focus on one task. Be more productive and less stressed with the Time Timer. Well, that's my tip for today. For more tips and information about the products we feature, please visit our YouTube channel. I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, making your life easier, 60 seconds at a time.